But millions of people die, about 8 million people per year of cancer. And on the other hand, they frequently are dying because of the evolution of resistance to chemotherapy. And what's been wrong with the cancer approach in the public's mind is you've heard these slogans, the war on cancer. Lots of military metaphors. You know, we need a strike force to go in there to knock it out, okay? We have a kill it or cut it out kind of approach. We're going to zap it with radiation and chemotherapy, et cetera, in terms of all of this. And somehow that's going to make a difference. Well, it's not working too well because too many of us are dying of this particular kind of problem. So I'd like to take you through 6 simple steps. First, let's understand how important this is in terms of tackling it as a problem. Secondly, look at in terms of the 3 major things in terms of to have evolution. There's just 3 criteria. You have to have genetic variation. You have to have inheritance that's passed along. And thirdly, there has to be some selection, okay? Then we have to deal with medical education. And of course, I want to talk about some positive futures by knowing something about evolution. If we look at it in human populations, last year's kind of data, we can see that in both men and women in the United States, lung cancer, and partly because of still the incidence of smoking, is one of the #1 cancer killers. You know, it's still a major public health problem. But then between men and women, we differ. Men die of prostate cancer and women more of breast cancer. And you'll notice that the characteristics for women are higher than for men, and that it has an earlier age than with men. So prostate cancer, more slower growing and longer in life, usually. But colon cancer, many of you, when you reach a certain age, have colonoscopy and be checked, et cetera. Enormous kind of difference of early detection and so on, kind of thing.